Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to our listener. My name is Dania Inasa binti Muhammad Aris. My matrix number is 2022777711, and I'm from class A4AS1201B. Today I will be presenting about chlorofluorocarbons, or known as CFC. So, what is chlorofluorocarbon? Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, are non-toxic, non-flammable chemicals containing atoms of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. So the picture you see is the structure of the chlorofluorocarbons molecule. So where are they usually used in? So they are normally used in the aerosol spray can that we use to kill some pests like mosquitoes and ants. Also, they are used as refrigerants. They always be found in the air conditioner and in the refrigerator. They are also used as in the making of the foam and plastic bags. And lastly, they are also used as solvent. There are a lot of types of CFC, but I will be only including two types of them. So the first one you see here is CFC12, which also be called as dichlorodifluoromethane. Dichlorodifluoromethane always be used as refrigerant. And then another type of CFC here, we have CFC113. Also, the other name is trichlorofluoromethane that we always use as solvent. So, about the CFC structure. So, the most common CFCs are small molecules containing only one or two carbon atom shading. So, in the previous slide, we can see CFC12 only have one carbon atom, while CFC113 have two carbon atoms. And then CFC contain only the elements carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. So in here, CFC12 have one carbon atom, two chlorine atom, and two fluorine atom, while CFC113 contains two carbon atom, three chlorine atom, and three fluorine atom. So CFC has some advantages. So they are excellent refrigerants due to their low boiling point. They are also very good propellants due to their low toxicity and are useful in firefighting. They are also non-flammable, that which they are not easy to be burned. They are tasteless, odorless, and are chemically stable, which are safe for humans to use them. But despite having lots of advantages, they also have one disadvantages. So what are their disadvantages? CFC will cause the ozone depletion, which may lead to the increase of UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface. When the UV radiation levels increase, they will increase in certain types of skin cancer, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorder. So CFC will bring more harm into humans because they will cause the ozone depletion, which lead to the UV radiation levels increase. How did CFC cause the ozone depletion? Okay, here is the photo how the CFC cause the ozone depletion. So when people or when humans use the CFC, they will break CFC things like aerosol can, air conditioner, refrigerants, they will spread the CFC into the atmosphere. At the stratosphere, the ultraviolet rays split a chlorine atom away from the CFC molecule. Then the chlorine atom will break up an ozone molecule, which will produce two molecules, which they are chlorine monoxide and oxygen. When the ozone molecule breaks, it will make a hole in the ozone layer. So that is how the ozone layer depletes. So, how to avoid the ozone depletion? To avoid the ozone depletion, we need to reduce the use of CFC. There is a lot of ways to reduce the use of CFC. One of the ways is we can buy air conditioning and refrigeration equipment that do not have or do not have CFCs as refrigerants. We can also buy some aerosol products that do not use HCFC or CFCs as propellants. Or if you don't find any aerosol products that do not have these CFCs propellants, we can reduce the use of it by use less amount of them. Same as the air conditioning and refrigeration equipment, we can use them in at least in like 1 hour a day to reduce the use of CFCs. If we didn't manage to find any air conditioning and refrigeration that did not use HCFC or CFCs as refrigerants, we can conduct regular inspection and maintenance of air conditioning and refrigeration appliances to prevent and minimize the refrigerant leakage. Sometimes we do not realize that the refrigerants leak, and because of that, the CFC will spread into the atmosphere. Hence, as conclusion, CFC has a lot of advantages in our daily life use. However, there are also danger to our and can cause the ozone depletion when we use them in big amount. So that's all from me. Thank you.